All right, what's going on, guys? Back on the river. Today is a nice day. It's been chilly the past couple days, and today it is just full sun, and the water has gone down quite a bit from yesterday. So we've got on some crankbaits. I've got on a shallow diver. Evan's got on the KVD 1.5, and I think today is going to be a reaction day. They're going to be chasing those crankbaits up into the shallows because that water is going to be nice and warm and heated up, and the spawn is on. So enough talking, let's get to fishing.
What a monster.
Cold? Yeah, it'll wear off. I went yesterday without waders. Took me like 5-10 minutes to get acclimated, and then it was gone. Oh, there we go. First fish. All right, first fish right here. As soon as we approach the this nice big bluff wall, first cast with the flat banger, the Guggen Squad flat banger. Nice little smallie. See you later, bud. Oh, reel's in the water. Yeah, the one in front. He's got like a funky bill. Say what? Get it. It's fish. Oh, it's bait. Something might be chasing it though. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You get the left side, I'll get the right side. You're good. If it's chasing bait, we throw a couple lures out there, maybe it'll think we're part of the wounded school. Hopefully that just wasn't an injured fish and that was something chasing it. What do you want to do? You want to attack the tree roots here or the fast water?
Tree roots.
Go for it. Yo, what is this? Ooh, it's a hellgrammite. I've never caught an actual hellgrammite. Ooh, he's got pinchers. Look at that thing. Doesn't he look evil?
Yeah.
Look at those pinchers he's got on him.
Huh.
Those are supposedly really good bass candy. So bold predictions. That tree, the one that's leaned over, will catch something from here to there, or if we suck really bad, the next thing you'll see will be the outro. Is this happening? Is this happening right now? Did that just happen? Wildlife National Geographic. Dude, you got one. No. 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 What was it?
I think it was a black bass. I pulled him out of the water with my pole, so I'm gonna count that.
There he is, look. Right side of the bank, you see him? He's like right in the middle. Here, there he goes. You see him? Ooh, he finally saw me. Can't believe he let me get that close. That was wild. Hi. Kind of a grind of a day. One fish right off the gate, and nothing really else than that. Ev, you got hooked into something. It was a rock bass.
Yeah.
And then what happened there? I was a little bit ahead of you on that.
Well, I pulled him out of the water and then he popped off, but I'm gonna count it based on the current.
You get it out of the water,
situation.
it counts.
Yeah.
That's an actual fact in fishing. So we got one apiece. That was at least not too much of a waste of a day. And we had the friggin' deer cross, like he didn't even know what people were.
Yeah.
And the beaver, which was he let me get like 2 feet from him. I don't think he heard me because I was like sneaking up in my waders, and then he saw me, and then it was like I'm out, and he made the big splash. Anyway, it was a fun day of nature. Good little walk, couple fish. We'll see you guys on the next fishing mission.